You watch a YouTube tutorial. Learn Excel in 10 minutes. Easy. The guy's screen is spotless. He's gliding through shortcuts like a wizard. You feel pumped. This looks simple. Fast forward to Monday at work. Your Excel sheet has 17 tabs. There's a broken formula from 2019. Your boss wants a dashboard, ASAP. And somehow, nothing looks like the tutorial. YouTube gave you the recipe, but your office gave you the leftovers and no stove. That's the truth. Real office work is messy. It's deadlines and bad data and last-minute edits and colleagues renaming files like final and final revisage version 2. Tutorials are great, but application, that's a whole different beast. Here's a little secret. The best way to learn how to use any tool is by doing. Let me say that again because this is important. The best way to learn how to use any tool is by doing. When it comes to software, there are two ways to learn: reading or doing. Reading is easy. You can read about how to code for days, weeks, even months, and you'll still know how to code. If instead you spend 1 hour writing code, you'll learn far more in that 1 hour than if you spend a week reading about coding. In fact, I dare say that if you read for a week about coding and then spend 1 hour writing code, you'll probably be able to write code better than the person who just reads for that week. Why? Because when you sit down to write that code, you're forced to apply all the things that you've just learned. You have to think about what order to put things in, how to structure your code, and most importantly, you get to see the results of your actions in real time. You build something with your own hands. And so my advice for anyone starting out in any software, any tool, any skill is this: don't just watch tutorials or read articles or listen to podcasts. Do something. Start building something. It doesn't matter what it is. Does it matter if it's perfect? No, it doesn't. What matters is that you get to experience the joy of creation, that you get to experience the process of taking a raw material, in this case code, and transforming it into something useful, into something that works, into something that people can use. That feeling is exhilarating. And once you get that feeling, once you start feeling like a creator, like an actual builder of things, then you'll never want to go back to being a consumer of content. So go out there and do some work.